What is sake? How does it compare with beer and wine? The central link between beer, wine, and sake is fermentation, a process that converts sugar to alcohol. Let's explain how different drinks like wine, beer, and sake are made. In winemaking, grape juice already contains sugar for fermentation. With the help of yeast, the sugar converts to alcohol. In beer making, the process is one step longer. Malt is used to convert starch to sugar, and then yeast converts the sugar to alcohol. Sake differs from wine and beer due to a process called parallel fermentation that gives sake its uniquely rich yet delicate quality. First, top-quality rice is polished to remove the outer layers. The rice is then steamed and cooled. Next, the steamed rice is laced with a special mold spore called koji. Koji helps in the conversion of starch to sugar for fermentation, a process that takes 2 days to complete. The koji rice is, at that point, mixed with another batch of steamed rice along with water and sake yeast. Known as the moto starter or mash starter stage, this process spurs on the multiplication of sake yeast, leading to the moromi stage or the main fermentation stage, in which the moto is mixed with a much larger batch of koji rice, steamed rice, and water. In this mixture, a larger quantity of alcohol is produced, and subsequently 2 types of fermentation in the same tank, a phenomenon referred to earlier as parallel fermentation. For the best results, we allow 20 days for this process, and then we filter all solids from the liquid, leaving us with what is termed new sake. Pasteurization at 150 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit is next on the agenda, followed by aging, which takes 4 to 6 months. During this time, the sake is tasted periodically, and when it's ready, it's blended with other batches to achieve balanced flavor and consistent smooth taste, and then bottled. While particular wines are identified by the particular grape, differentiation in sake is determined by controlling the process. For example, ginjo-type sake is made from rice usually polished down to 50 to 60% its original kernels, producing a cleaner, more delicate flavor. Then there's the nama type, a draft-style sake. This particular sake is unpasteurized and micro-filtered, while the nigori type is unfiltered, reminiscent of the sake enjoyed during the Tale of Genji period. What nada is to sake made in Japan, Berkeley, California is to sake made in the United States. Berkeley gets cool air from the sea, keeping tank temperatures regulated. This is one reason Takara chose Berkeley for its USA headquarters. Additionally, Takara has access to crystal clear Sierra water. And then there's high-quality California premium rice, practically grown in our backyard. It's these ingredients that make up the family of Sho Chikubai sakes. Takara offers 4 different types: regular, ginjo, nama, and nigori. To serve sake warm, pour some into a small carafe, a tokuri. Then place the carafe in hot water for a few minutes. The ideal temperature for warm sake is approximately 100 to 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Drunk warm, sake complements the cool freshness of sushi and sashimi while enhancing the unique flavors of sukiyaki, tempura, and a variety of teriyaki dishes. Chilled sake is equally refreshing. Just pour it from the bottle into a cup or regular wine glass. Drunk chilled, sake pairs perfectly with seafood appetizers and entrees such as grilled salmon. But chilled or warm, sake is that rare, versatile drink that goes beautifully with both light and rich foods. and it's what makes your favorite cocktail, whether it be a margarita or a martini.